Alright, we're live, guys. What I'm trying to show you here is called Glogster. Have you ever heard of that site before? It's an interactive poster which allows you to take this old boring poem right here and make it talk to your teacher. You know, you don't want to, and the next thing you want to do is bring up your level of work, right? Let's say your teacher from your science, your language arts saying, hey, we're going to do a poster project, guys. We're going to do this on this characters or this famous author or whatever. What you can do is say, can I do an interactive poster instead? So how does it work? What you want to do is on our site, I have the interactive poster link. Click on that and it will just get you to the site. Okay? If not, you can just type it in yourself. And the address for that is, well, it's already recorded, so you have access to it. It's edu.glogster.com. Okay? Once you're in this site, you just say, I am a student. You click on that, and it will ask you to create an account. Okay? Now, my advice to you for this class is whatever you do, get a Gmail account. Because notice that everywhere you go now, they have another way for you to sign in. Oh, I want to use my Google account, which is a Gmail, right? So if you don't have a Gmail account, create one for this class. We need it for this class anyway. Okay, so create a Gmail, but if you don't have one, it's okay. Just create one from scratch right here for this particular site. Enter your nickname that you want to remember, password, confirm it, first name, last name, and then type in the code below. Verify that you're 13. Yes, I know, some of you are still 12, but just go with me. And then some of you are still 11. Just go with me here. It's okay. It's for education. It's okay. And yes, I agree. And it's asking for teacher code. I'll show you in a minute. It will be there. Okay. You want to write the teacher code down when I show you. But for me personally, okay. So since I already have an account, watch what happened. All you have to do is just say, I want to sign in with Google. There it is. I'm in. Okay. So please write this down for your teacher's code right here. 639D93. Let's see if I can zoom this in for you here. Zoom. Okay, there it is. Let me highlight that code again for you to see. So there is your teacher's code. All right, so this information will be available to you anyway, so don't worry about it. But notice that once you're in, you have the option of creating a new glog. I know it sounds weird, glog, but it is actually an interactive posters, right? So what's the deal behind this anyway? Well, as it turns out, this is your digital canvas right here. You can basically add anything to it. You can add sound effects. You can add pictures, video. You can actually record your own voice reading off your poem and put it on here so that when your teacher opens it up, all of a sudden the poster talks to the teacher. That's a good thing about it. Okay, so for instance, all right, let's put in the poem right now. They have tons of formats for you to put in the poem. Let's say I want to put my poem on what kind of format should I want? On a piece of wood, something like that. I'm going to say use it, and there it is. It's going to be right there. You can drag it out, make it bigger, whatever you want. You see it? So it's a digital tool, guys. You can mess it up and still be able to just delete it, right? But if you're messing this up, it's not going to look that nice after all, right? So here, once you're done, you want to type something in, you just click on edit, and you can actually start typing stuff in. So that's part taking care of the text stuff. And then now, let's say I want to add graphics into my poster. I'm like, what should I have here? Oh, I like this desk. Use it. And there it is. Here's the desk. I can just drag it anywhere in a poster I want. I can edit it, make it, whatever you want. Okay, and then I want to add, well, let's say I have a sound file that I recorded before and I want to put into my poster. I can do that too. Or video file. And then I want to change my background. This is too plain. I want something better. Let's see, what should I have? Pop rock, what is that? Okay, look, that's colorful enough. I like that background. So I'm going to use that. And it will take it and replace it. You see it? How do you like that? What do you think of this method? Better? Do you think you want to decorate on here? Knowing this now, what do you think? Okay, you definitely want to use this, right? So once you're done, let's say, oh wait, I don't like this background. It sucks. I want this background instead. Use it. Look at that. You see it? You can customize it and be able to see it right away to see if you like the setting or not. Okay, so let's say you're done with everything. I'm like, okay, I'm done with everything already, and I want to publish it. Down below, you can say save or publish. Okay, so what you want to do here now is, hold on, let me kind of zoom in for you here. You want to name your poster using your first and last name. So, for example, I created this, so I'm creating that. And then next to it, I just want you to write your period. So, period 2. You see? And category, what is it that we're doing? Well, I'm creating one for math, and I can add a tag if I want to. You know, I don't care. But let's say that you want to go back and edit it again, then you have to make sure that you save, but it's unfinished. But if you're completely done with your digital poster, all you have to do is just click on finish, save, and publish. See that? So you hit save and publish. So what you get back now is an actual link to this. See it? So here's a link. What you do is you highlight the link, copy the link. How do I copy using shortcuts? Well, if you're on PC, it's Control-C, right? If you're on a Mac, it's Command-C. So I'm going to go ahead and say Command-C, and that link will be saved, you know, on in memory for the time being. And let's say I want to go ahead and open it to make sure it works. I just have to go ahead and open another browser, Control-V or Command-V.
Evelyn here? Evelyn Chang?
Yes, she's here. She's in the office.
She's in office?
Okay, so notice, there it is. There's my link, and here's my poster online. Okay, so, we already have the site, we already have our link, right? The next step in your assignment is to take that link, convert that link into a QR code. And I'm going to show you to do that too. Remember that you already have this link saved, right? So if you haven't already, remember the thing is highlight it, Command-C using Apple, and Control-C to copy it. So there it is, it's already saved. The next step that you want to do now is to go to Google, just like that. And then in the search box, I want you to type in QR code. Enter. That's it. Okay. Once you have it, go down here and it says QR stuff. Click on QR stuff. It'll open up a QR code generator. Okay. So how does it work here? All you have to do is, it's already preset at website URL. You just have to click in that box and then type in or use Command or Control-V to paste in your link. You see it? Notice that when you paste in your link, this QR code will also change to reflect your new site. Now let's say that you don't like this code, like this is black. I don't like black code. I like some different color. So I'm like, I'm a yellow guy or green guy. I like green. I can change the color, customize my QR code if I want to. Okay, but there it is. You see it? So I can change the color, but please, when you do something like this, make sure that the color is dark enough. If it's too light, your phone will have a hard time, or my phone will have a hard time recognizing it. Okay, so to be on the safe side, really, once you're done with that, you're happy with your color and everything, you hit on download QR code. Make sure you know where it is. Okay, find it. So in this case, I know where I saved the file already, so I just go ahead and click save. Your next step after this is to go straight to Schooloop. Log into your account. In this case, I'm just logging to mine, just like that. And I'm going to email Mr. Nguyen. Okay, I know I'm emailing myself, but Loop mail it. I'm going to email it. I'm going to compose a new message, and I'm going to email to myself. Let's say that. And on a subject line, I want you to write your first and last name again. And I want you to write your period. Okay? Is that? Okay. Here's an extra step that I want you to do though. In the text, in the message area, I want you to paste your link again for me, just in case your QR code doesn't work. I still have your link. See it? And then I want to attach the file, the QR code that you just created. Where did I create it then? Well, you need to know where you saved it in. I know I saved it on my desktop in the miscellaneous file. So I'm just going to search for it. But you're probably just going to have it saved on your desktop instead. So I'm trying to find mine right now. Here it is. And QR code. See it? Open it up. and I just upload it. There, the file's attached. There it is. Just to prove it to you that it is the right code. Watch. Well, anyway, it is there. And then I just hit send, and it'll be sent to me right away. And that's it. That's your assignment. Any question on that?